A magnitude 7.3 earthquake occurred off the coast of Northern California, USA. A powerful earthquake struck off the coast of Humboldt County Thursday morning, prompting a tsunami warning for parts of the northern coast. The earthquake occurred around 10:44 am west of Petrolia, California, in the Pacific Ocean. Minutes later, a magnitude 5.8 aftershock occurred near Cobb, California. Several other apparent aftershocks were also recorded within minutes, ranging in magnitude from 2.5 to 4.2. Like it if you think that we need to protect nature, because this is the main problem of humanity. The more likes, the more people will know it.